Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Adobe Photoshop on PC. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open any preferred browser and search for Adobe. Then, get to the Creative Cloud page, which will take you to the official Adobe website. Here, click on the free trial button for the Creative Cloud, and you will see 3 plans. Simply choose the one that suits you. Adobe offers a free trial for 7 days, along with a 30-day free trial for Adobe stock. So select that option and click Continue. Next, enter your email address and proceed. You will then be asked for your debit or credit card information. If you provide these details, you will be charged after the 14-day trial period ends. Fill in the required details and click Agree and Subscribe. If prompted, enter the OTP to confirm. Once done, create your password. After that, open a new tab and search for Download Creative Cloud and click on the first website. Once the installation is complete, sign in using the same email address you used earlier. After logging in, go to the Apps section. From there, locate Adobe Photoshop and click Install. When the installation finishes, you can start using Photoshop on your PC. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Adobe Photoshop on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.